song that I long to be writing. The music is strong and the words are inviting. A changeable melody, strangely exciting, I found in your name. The sound of your name can bring times of desire that flares like a flame as it climbs ever higher, that burns in my senses, turns into fire. The sound of your name. But love is a game that continually changes. The players discover the risk and the dangers. We started as lovers, we ended as strangers. Now where can I turn? Your name is the ghost of a chance that you gave me, the brink of a dance, just enough to enslave me alone in my grief. What is there that can save me if you don't return? At night in my dreams you are there in obsession. I whisper your name in a prayer of confession. You've entered my soul and have taken possession. And who can I blame? For you are the heaven on earth that I cry for, the high unobtainable moon that I try for as long as I live. I'm living